Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Okay, we're going to work on mastering postures today, mastering your asana. This same principle applies to standing postures, your sitting posture, whatever position you want to do your meditative practice in. Whether it's a Tai Chi shape, doesn't matter, same principles. Okay, so we started with vital breathing. We've learnt building the ball. We've got this base feeling of energy in the body. We've got the fluidic feeling there. Then we've tuned to whole body warp breathing. So breathe in through the pores, out through the pores. We've learned to open all the joints, stretch the fingers open, stretch the spine. And we've connected the sit bones, we've stretched the crown out. So we've learned all those fundamentals. Now it's looking at the shape that you want to master. So the only real important things, the sit bones are properly connected if you're sitting, and the feet are properly centered and balanced with your body weight if you're standing. Your chin is slightly tucked in, the occipital point there is pushing out, and then you pluck the crown and stretch everything up through the fascia slightly and keep the spine stretched open. So to master the asana, once you've got the vital breathing there, is to look at the mental image of the perfect posture versus what you're physically actually doing. Now, it's very rare for anyone just to be able to sit down, tuck in the chin and have a perfect posture. So mentally, what is the ideal? And physically, where are you? And then you vital breathe energy into the mental image of what you want. And then you stretch and contort your body to take on that ideal shape. And you relax and release the muscles, open the joints, vital breathe into the mental idea, into the shape. And you keep reticulating this vital breathing into your mental idea and stretching the joints open to morph into that mental shape. And your physical body will slowly make micro adjustments inside the way the muscles are connecting, the way tension's holding, and take on that mental image, that mental idea. So this is the fastest way. If a person just holds a shape and hopes for the best, it's not going to work. The body's always going to pull back into its old shape. You have to change the thinking, change the feeling, and vital breathe into the thinking and feeling and reticulate that energy into the body until the body takes the shape that you want. And this is how we master asanas. It doesn't matter if you sit cross-legged or sit in a chair. Sitting in a chair is actually superior, vibrationally, energetically. Sitting cross-legged is more of a cultural thing. And if you're Asian and you've been doing that since childhood, that's great. But when you sit in a chair, the way your sit bones align and the way your crown aligns is different to when you're sitting on the ground. So the Egyptian posture, where you just have a small gap between your ankles and knees, and you're sitting comfortably in the chair, the spine straight. This is a posture in which you maintain circulation in your legs, you get good clean blood circulation all the way down to your toes. It's a good position to sit in, and it is superior to the cross-legged position. From there, you just simply stand up from the sitting to the standing, and then transfer the load from your sit bones to your feet, and repeat the same exercise. And from there, move into wider foot positions and various standing postures, which you may be relevant to your martial training or the Qigong forms that you've previously learnt, which you want to integrate. Revision: get your mental idea perfect, open the mental space to exactly the way you want your body to be, vital breathe into that mental idea, relax and release the muscles, open the joints, stretch your body into that shape, and then release time, reticulate it in your astral body until physical body morphs into that perfect posture. Build it up as a subconscious habit. Once you've established a subconscious habit of being there for over an hour, then your body will stay there by itself. Once it stays there by itself, we can move on to the astral training and prepare the astral body, and then we can move on to the mental training and prepare the mental body, and then you'll be able to sit for hours, if not days, without being interrupted. Okay, thank you for your time.